Parents to young babies, or even anyone immunocompromised, we have some news for you. According to Texas's health department, whooping cough cases are at an 11-year high. So far this year, the state has seen 3,500 cases of pertussis, or whooping cough. And in the past, the health agency has recorded its most cases in November and December, which suggests we still have a couple more weeks to go before we start to see these cases begin to drop off. Now, this rise in whooping cough cases in Texas is not exactly new. This actually follows a national trend. In 2024, there were 35,000 recorded cases of whooping cough, and in 2023, we saw 7,000 less. As far as cases this year, the Texas Health Agency says 85% of them occurred in children. Thankfully, no deaths have been reported. Now, those most at risk are babies. A few tips from the health agency: wash your hands before coming around baby. Parents, you may want to ask people not to kiss your baby or hug on your baby. And if you so wish, there is a shot for this. It is the Tdap or DTaP, depending on your age. Be well, stay healthy, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments.